The ancient Stoics had a simple wisdom: stay quiet and choose words carefully. They believed in not sharing every thought or emotion. Epicurus suggested finding happiness by not stressing over things beyond our control. Let's explore 7 things Stoicism teaches us to keep private for inner strength and wisdom. 1. Avoid self-criticism. Stoicism emphasizes inner strength and resilience. Don't speak negatively about yourself even when alone. Marcus Aurelius warns against complaining, as it harms mental health and self-worth. Instead, focus on acknowledging your abilities and fostering a positive mindset. 2. Don't boast about personal growth. Stoic philosopher Epicurus advises against loudly sharing your efforts and successes. Personal improvement is a journey for your benefit, not to seek praise. Actions speak louder than words, so let your deeds show your growth, inspiring others authentically. 3. Practice moderation in eating. Musonius, another Stoic, advises against overindulgence in food and drink. Balance is crucial. Neither excessive eating nor complete control is healthy. Moderation builds discipline and self-control, contributing to success and a peaceful life. 4. Listen more than you speak. Zeno, the father of Stoicism, wisely said, "You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason." In today's noisy world, active listening is vital for meaningful connections. Listening fosters respect, strengthens relationships, and provides opportunities for personal and professional growth. 5. Don't dwell too much on the future. Stoicism teaches not to worry excessively about the future, as some things are beyond our control. Focus on the present, take actions within your control, and maintain emotional and mental balance. Accepting life's unpredictability leads to more happiness and peace. 6. Express gratitude. Epicurus encourages gratitude, appreciating the good things in life. Lack of gratitude can strain relationships, while expressing thanks builds respect and love. Cultivate the habit of acknowledging and being thankful for the positive aspects of your life. 7. Minimize complaints. Complaining is discouraged in Stoicism. Instead of focusing on problems, shift your mindset to find solutions. Avoiding complaints improves mental health, enhances relationships, and increases productivity. Be mindful, seek solutions, and express gratitude for a more satisfying life. Choosing silence, a practice embraced by Stoics, involves carefully deciding when to speak and when to remain quiet. This deliberate silence fosters personal growth, strengthens relationships, and allows for deeper self-understanding. Stoic philosophy recognizes the value of silence as a teacher, providing insights that may be lost in constant chatter. Ultimately, embracing Stoic ideas, including the practice of chosen silence, can lead to a purposeful and wise life, contributing to a better and more meaningful existence.